Musical ties are symbols used in sheet music to connect two or more notes together, indicating that they should be played as a single, uninterrupted note. Ties are represented by a curved line that connects the notes, and they come in different lengths depending on how long the notes should be held. The tie goes from the head of the first note to the head of the next on the outside, as demonstrated. Here are some important things to know about musical ties. In order to tie two or more notes together, they must be of the same pitch. This means that the notes must be located on the same line or space on the staff. Ties extend the duration of a note. When a tie is used, the first note is held for the combined duration of both notes. This means that the length of the second note is added to the length of the first note. Ties can extend across measures, connecting notes in different bars of music. This is useful when a long note needs to be sustained over a bar line. Musical ties are used to connect two or more notes of the same pitch, indicating that they should be played as a single, uninterrupted note. Ties extend the duration of the first note by the length of the second note, and they can be used across measures with rests and chords. It's now time for you to put your new skills to the test. For more on timing, this video will guide you through the basics and add another essential element to the incredible subject of music theory.